Uniting hands, a journey towards collective harmony. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a beautiful and inspiring phrase, join hands in unity. This expression is not just about the physical act of linking hands, but carries a deep message of collaboration, solidarity, and shared purpose. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your conversations and writings. Join hands in unity is a metaphorical phrase that encourages people to come together and work as one towards a common goal. It highlights the importance of cooperation and teamwork, suggesting that by combining our efforts, we can achieve much more than we can alone. This phrase is often used in contexts where unity and collective action are needed, such as community projects, peace movements, or any initiative that aims to bring about positive change. Unity is a powerful concept, especially in today's world, where differences often divide people. When we join hands in unity, we symbolically put aside our differences and focus on what brings us together. This act of coming together can create a strong bond among individuals, fostering a sense of belonging and mutual support. It's a reminder that, despite our diverse backgrounds, we share common hopes, dreams, and challenges. 1. Community service. Imagine a group of neighbors coming together to clean up a local park. By joining hands in unity, they not only beautify their environment but also strengthen their community bonds. 2. Global efforts. Consider international efforts to combat climate change. Countries around the world join hands in unity, sharing resources and knowledge to protect our planet for future generations. 3. Social movements. Social movements often call for people to join hands in unity to advocate for change, whether it's fighting for equal rights, justice, or humanitarian causes. Join hands in unity is more than just a phrase. It's a call to action, a reminder of the strength we have when we come together. It encourages us to look beyond our individual selves and work collectively towards a brighter, more inclusive future. We hope this video has inspired you to embrace the power of unity in your own life. Thank you for watching, and remember, together, we can make a difference.